Hey, it's Doug from the Rise Above Gym channel, and a very quick and dynamic 3-exercise kettlebell workout for you. Let's check it out. Like I said, this workout only consists of 3 exercises: a swing, a clean, and a thruster. So 3 tough ones, dynamic, full body workout. So you can use 1 bell, you can use 2 bells, I'll show them with both. You can do it a bunch of ways. I like repetitions, 5. So I usually do 4 rounds of 5. I use doubles usually, get me those 60 reps in, but you can do single as well. So let's do the single round. You can do it one of 2 ways. So you can go swing, clean, and then thruster on one side, and then do it on the other side. Or you can go swing, swing, clean, clean, thruster, thruster. Let's do 3 reps. I'll go down and then the other side. So I'll go 3 swings. 3, I'll go 3 cleans. And 3, and then I'll go full thruster down. 1, 2, 3, right into the other side, 3 swings. All right, 3 cleans. And then 3 thrusters. Whoa, that bell got away from me. And 3. All right. So that's one way to do it. Like I said, you can go swing, swing, clean, clean, thruster, thruster. My heart's already going. But now I like the way with 2 kettlebells. So it's kind of like half the time, but double the pain. So pick your poison. So I'll do 3 swings, cleans, and then thrusters, and that's our workout. So let's do it. So 3 swings, 3 cleans, and then 3 thrusters. All right, there you go. Like I said, I usually do that doubles for 5 reps. And then I'll do all of them for 5. Then I'll rest 30 seconds to a minute and try to get 5 or 6 rounds in. My heart is going, as you can tell. It's a great full body, quick workout. So if you don't have a lot of time and you just need to knock something out and challenge your strength, endurance, this is a great workout for you. If you like the video, please like it down below. Also subscribe, try to put a new video out every week. Thanks again for watching. Get those kettlebells and get after it.